welcome back to another hashtag Thrifty Thursday, hosted by Sherry. So, I hit a few big garage sales, and I went to an outlet store. So I think my first haul will be the outlet store. So, it's a outlet store in northern Minnesota, and it's way out in the middle of nowhere, but it's called Unclaimed Freight, and so they just have all kinds of stuff. I mean, at discount prices, it's super, and it's all brand new. So I have this huge bag here next to me, so let's go through it. Alright, first thing I got was these button embellishments. They were $1.69 for 36 of them. And actually, let me zoom down just a tad so you can see them all really, really well. So I thought these were kind of fun. Some kind of retro type buttons. So they were $1.69 for 36. I loved those colors, so I grabbed them. Here is another medley of kind of like gumball beads, and they were kind of nice bright colors, and then a mixture of pinks and greens, and this color here. There's 36, they were $1.69, and this is by the Craft Medley Company. And I believe this brand, I think, is on scrapbook.com. I'm not sure, I can't remember, but I tried to look up this company to see like where to buy them besides this place. It's like over an hour from my house, so I don't go there very often. And then I got these type of kind of gumball beads, and this was 30 piece for $1.19. So I got those. Then also from the same company, this Craft Medley brand, $1.19 is all for these Bling sequins, and they are so cute. They're all like flowers, and they're actually pretty thick and heavy, and there is a ton in here. So I picked those up. And then there was this Simply Art craft swivel knife. I seen kind of like these infomercials on these craft knives for fussy cutting. I'm gonna try it. So $1.99, I'm gonna try it. It comes with all these blades, so it might be really good for fussy cutting. So I was gonna try that. Then there were some of these Midnight Garden. It's called Midnight Garden. Let's see what the sticker underneath it says. Oh, nothing else. It just says Midnight Garden. And they are kind of like a silvery, dark, smoky, silvery safety pin. And I'd never seen that before. And I don't know if I have another safety pin here in front of me. I do. So here is kind of the color of a regular safety pin, more of a bright silver, where these are kind of like a smoky color. So I really liked those, and $1.19, I picked those up. Then they had these giant paper clips. Oh my gosh, I thought they would be super, super fun. They're jumbo paper clips. They were 89 cents each, and I think I have another color here. Nope, I thought I have another color blue. It might be in the bottom of the bag, but so I picked up one each of those colors. So I thought those would be really fun just to have. And then I got these paper clips here. The one paper clips that I have kind of leave like a silver mark on the pages when you stick them in a journal, and I don't like that. So I found these. These are actually like a stainless steel type, and they were 99 cents for 50 of them. And these are the big ones. Yeah, corrosion resistant finish. So of course we all want our paper clips, so I got those. Thought this was kind of neat. This was 39 cents for this tablet, and it's called Power Lines. It's unique lined paper for home, office, school, anywhere you want to open up the lines of communication. They're little tiny feet, so it's lined paper, but with little tiny feet on it. And I bet you they have a bunch of other types of lines. So I'm going to do a little bit of research and see if I can't find this paper company. Okay. And of course I got the small paper clip, same as the large, one each, 99 cents for 100. So I picked those up. And then they had double-sided tape, and I picked that up too. These are just really great for just, you know, projects and in the journals in some places, not everywhere. I usually use the art glitter glue for most of my stuff, but some stuff that I want double-sided tape, and it's permanent. Got it for $1.19, so I grabbed 3 of those. Then they had, I'm so mad because I think in another video I did a little haul and I showed, I think it might have been my bingo chips. I showed where I got the marker for, right here, the gold Sharpie marker, and it's oil-based, this one. And the, you know, it's not cheap. You know, of course I tried to use a 40% coupon or 30% at Michael's, you know, when I want something like that. But here, 99 cents, metallic marker for dark and light papers, acid-free, fade-proof, waterproof, non-toxic, and it's by American Crafts. So I got a silver and a gold. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I found it for that price. Then I found some more tickets. These were 99 cents each, and I found white with green and white with red. The reason I liked this, because of the white background, is because I can dye them. So I can coffee or tea stain these, and I liked green and I liked red for Christmas, and then also for any other color journal. So those were a good find for 99 cents. Then I also found these Chubby Cherub recipe cards. They're 50 colorful cards for your favorite recipes, and I just liked them because they were kind of pink, and they have the little cartoonish cherub there with butterflies. And there were 50 in here for this pack for 69 cents. So couldn't go wrong on those. They also had some washi tape there. 2 for $1. How can you go wrong with that? This, I think, they're Disney. So this was Disney. It's like all the princesses, you know, so Snow White, Little Mermaid. Yeah, there's Anastasia, all of them. So that one there, and then this one is, if you can see it here, it's like the planes, trains, automobiles. There you go. And then here's this one. You can see the tape right here. So 2 for $1. I grabbed one of those each. Can't believe it. Alright, and then I got these. I had never done the bottle caps, but I've seen lots of people have these bottle cap charms, or made into charms for their journals. So I saw these for $1.19, bottle caps, and there is a ton of them in each one 14. There's 14 of them in each container. So for $1.19, I'm going to have some fun trying to create some unique things with those. So I grabbed them. I also did grab, I don't know, I just liked these. They're little pom-poms, and they're really bright and colorful. And I am going to make paperclip pom-poms or safety pin pom-poms with these. So maybe I will do a video on how I do those. Then they have a bin of nothing but playing cards for 59 cents. So let's take a look at these. So this one is like a vintage kind of country with flowers and birds. So I got that one. Here is a Norman Rockwell. This one is fishing and a dog running. And this has like kind of a light green outline. Here's another Norman Rockwell. And this is just two old men laughing and having fun. And it has a red outline. Here is screams like the 70s, 80s. And, I'm not sure when the duck age was, but I remember like my mom being really into the country ducks. So it's got to be like the 70s, because that's kind of when I was growing up. So I just thought that was funny. That's what reminded me of my mom. And this kind of has a reddish here and then the blue polka dot background. So those were cute. Same thing, but this one was yellow with green. Definitely nice for the retro journals. Here is, I don't know if this is like a Pacific cartoon character. If you do, let me know in the discussion box or comment box below. This one kind of has like torn paper all the way around. And then it has this cat. So, not sure. But I thought it was different. Here's another Norman Rockwell flying a kite. And this one kind of has like an orange border. And then this one was a bird. And so I really liked that one. I have a chickadee one that I kind of hoard a little bit. Because I haven't been able to find another one. So I got all those. Those were 59 cents each. And then this one I did take the, you know, out of the packaging already, but it's one of those, you know, squeezing scissors for like just snipping really quick by my sewing machine. So I got those. And then these caught my eye. These were two little, like, they're plastic canning jars, but they're filled with these little fruits and vegetables. And the reason I got them is because I'm going to make them, I am going to make them into a charm. So they're kind of like a resin. They're kind of like a resin. So I'm going to make these into a charm. And of course there's like red peppers, there's carrots, lettuce. I mean, there's all kinds in here. This one's got bananas, fruit, watermelon and whatnot. So I'll probably do a video on how I make these into charms, but these were fun, and I can still use the container for storage. Okay, so that was everything at that outlet. So I will probably end it there because I don't know how long the video is. But I will keep it as that outlet. Oh, you know what? I did go to this really weird, not like a Dollar Tree. It was like a private, maybe like guy. I don't know. A dollar store. And so let me grab that and we can go through those. Because that's just kind of like another store. So let me grab those. So those are here. Okay, so there... So this store was $1.79 for these cupcakes. Aren't these cute cupcake liners? So what I do is I flatten them out with an iron and then I craft with them. But you get a bonus with these little, even though these are toothpick, I can show you how I've used these in the journals. They make great ephemera like tabs and whatnot. And then here is another one. This one's black, Happy Holidays, and this is the gingerbread man. So they kind of look like this here. So these are super, super fun, and I love the retro colors on that. And then that same store had these metal blocks, kind of like, it says mailbox alphabets, but they're metal and they're pastel colors, and they actually are adhesive, but I am going to use them as charms, I think. So I'm going to be able to take my punch and punch a hole in them and make them as a charm. And they're pretty heavy. They were $1.29, but you can use them as adhesive, but there's quite a bit in here. So I got that at that store. I also did get these old maid cards that were there, and they're kind of just like a, you know, more of a modern old maid, but I thought they were kind of fun. So I grabbed those. And then I know there was something else I got from that store. Yes. I did get these Stampology. They were, I think it was the same thing. They were what were these? $1.29. So I think these were $1.29 also. But these are the clear stamps that have the alphabet with the word, and then there's the mailing, you know, the post office mailing thing, and then there's a couple other extra ones. So this was fun. Got those. And let me see. I think that, yeah, that might have been it for the store-bought stuff. Yes, as I'm looking around, I have so much stuff. That's why I wanted to get through the hauls. All right, so that concludes my store-bought outlet and then the off-the-wall dollar store that I found. So thank you for joining me, and we will talk to you later. All right, bye.